Imagine walking into a store and seeing a brand new MacBook for $599. No, that isn't a typo, and no, this isn't a refurbished model from 5 years ago. This is the reality Apple just created with the MacBook Neo, and it has sent a shockwave through the industry so violently that competitors like Dell and HP are scrambling for a lifeline. But while the world is still reeling from the first Neo, a much bigger storm is brewing on the horizon. The leaks coming out of Cupertino regarding the MacBook Neo 2 aren't just exciting, they are terrifying for anyone not named Apple. We are looking at a machine that could realistically be the only laptop 90% of the population ever needs. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're thinking about buying a laptop right now, I need you to stop. Don't touch that "Buy Now" button. Don't even look at a MacBook Air. Because the MacBook Neo 2 is about to reset the entire market, and today, we are going to tear down every secret, every leaked benchmark, and every strategic move Apple is making to ensure you never look at a Windows PC again. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll realize that we aren't just looking at a new laptop, we are looking at the death of the mid-range PC as we know it. To understand why the Neo 2 is such a threat, we have to look at the iPhone strategy. For years, the Mac was a premium, unreachable luxury. Then came Apple Silicon, and suddenly, Macs were faster than anything else. But they were still expensive. Then, Apple did something nobody expected. They took the ultra-powerful A18 Pro chip from the iPhone 16 Pro, tweaked it, and shoved it into a $599 chassis. They called it Neo. It was a Trojan horse. It brought millions of students and first-time buyers into the ecosystem. But the Neo 1 had compromises. It had 8 GB of RAM. It had a mechanical trackpad. It was a starter Mac. The MacBook Neo 2. That's where Apple stops playing nice. The leaks for the second generation suggest that Apple is moving to the A19 Pro architecture. We are talking about a chip built on a refined 2nm process. This isn't just a minor speed bump. This is a leap in efficiency that makes the concept of a budget laptop feel like an insult. The benchmarks we are seeing for the A19 Pro suggest it rivals the M2 Pro chips from just a couple of years ago. Imagine having that kind of power in a fanless, silent, $600 machine. It's unheard of. But here is the real kicker, the one thing that is going to make the Neo 2 a legend. The RAM. The biggest complaint about the first Neo was the 8 gigs of memory. Well, the supply chain leaks from Taiwan are practically screaming one number, 12. 12 gigabytes of unified memory as the base standard. In a world where Chrome eats RAM for breakfast and AI tasks require heavy lifting, 12 gigabytes is the sweet spot that changes everything. It means the Neo 2 won't just be a web browsing machine. It will be a video editing powerhouse. It will be a coding machine. It will be a creative studio for the masses. And speaking of AI, let's talk about Apple Intelligence. The Neo 2 is being designed from the ground up to be the ultimate vessel for on-device AI. While Microsoft is trying to push Copilot PCs with mixed results, Apple is integrating AI into the silicon at a hardware level that Windows simply can't match yet. The neural engine in the